Japanese stiltgrass is an annual, foreign, invasive weed that's now established throughout the United States. This plant creeps over your desired plants, forming thick mats and smothering them. In this video, we'll show you how to spot Japanese stiltgrass, how to control these weeds on your property, and how to prevent them from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Japanese stiltgrass can climb over existing vegetation, with stems growing up to 6 feet in length. Stems often grow horizontally from their shallow root systems, but they can also grow vertically. The stems are thick and fleshy and can be reddish in color. The grass blades are broader than most other grasses. As seedlings, the blades are distinctly round, then elongate as the plants mature. The blades can grow up to 3 inches long with a light midvein. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Japanese stiltgrass grows well in moist, shaded environments, but can thrive in various settings. Common sites include lawns, landscapings, roadsides, woodlands, and other areas with disturbed soil. Japanese stiltgrass germinates from late winter to early spring. Be on the lookout for low-growing mats that have broad blades of grass. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of Japanese stiltgrass that's been established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to kill weeds before they can reproduce. Check out Acclaim Extra. Acclaim Extra can be used to control a variety of annual or perennial grassy weeds in turf and ornamental settings. Spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.3 to 0.46 fluid ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water. We recommend you mix and apply your product in a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. With your solution, spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. After your initial application of Acclaim Extra, a second application may be made after 14 days. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new weeds from growing from seed, check out Dimension 2EW Herbicide. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent new plants from growing from seed, mix 0.73 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the product over your treatment area, then after 6 hours, water the area with about ½ an inch of irrigation. The best way to prevent weeds from growing is to improve and maintain the health of your lawn. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density, reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of Japanese stiltgrass on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.